Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So we're starting out the video right here on Newdale Pharmacy, and we're gonna take a drive down to basically Roehampton Drive. So you guys definitely stay tuned. We're currently on Mannings Road right now, so that's where we at. We're gonna take a trip down on Roehampton Drive, then back onto Red Hills Road. So you guys stay tuned. Remember to like the video, so you don't have to wait till the finish. You can like the video right now. Remember to leave your comment, and remember to subscribe if you're new. And even if you're not new and you have not yet subscribed, subscribing is free, so join the family. Alright, so we'll be taking this right turn onto Rampton Drive. Alright guys, so stay tuned, enjoy the drive, and leave a comment. Alright guys, so Rampton Drive is neighboring Avondale. Very clean community, decent community, upscale community, I would say. That's my opinion. And it runs all the way back, basically back onto Red Hills Road. So it starts right off Mannings Road, then run down to Red Hills Road. So I did a previous video on this road, but I'm in the vicinity, and you guys know that once I'm somewhere, I'm gonna share the experience with you guys. Once I'm in a community that I don't traverse very regularly, I'm gonna share that experience. Some decent homes in the community as well. And then one in front of us, a multi-story. Alright guys, continue to enjoy the drive. so we'll be entering Red Hills Road shortly. And apologies guys, I know the sun was probably in your eyes for a little bit based on the direction that we were going, so it's one of those things. Apologies. So we're on to Red Hills Road now, and then we'll be right outside of Price Mart in a little bit. Price Mart is on the right over there. Alright, so there seems to be some traffic right here. Alright guys, so it was just a quick drive from Newdale Plaza, right off Mannings Hill Road onto Red Hills Road. So we'll be ending the video shortly. So you guys just remember to leave your comment if you're familiar with this area, if you probably lived in this area before, leave your comment. And remember to subscribe, remember to like, comment, and share. And right outside of here is, you know, the popular Red Hills Road jerk spot. Lots of jerk chicken, jerk pork.